Good morning. It is Monday. Welcome to another week of training. And we just got back from this morning's run. Quick little 6 miles today. 49 minutes, 41 seconds at an 8:16 minute per mile pace. And after a big week last week, we are still cranking away. Chick-fil-A right on deck coming back from the run. It's one of those mornings. It's one of those mornings. Last week we rounded out with 48 total miles, and that's peak of prep. So we're slowly working our way down these next few weeks until race day. So this week we have 42 miles lined up, and we got 41, then 33, and then race week. And unsurprisingly, I am feeling it today. Thought I was getting sick last week. My recovery was going down the tubes. But today we bounced back. Check the Whoop stats. And we're feeling really good. So I'm not getting sick. Or if I was getting sick, I fought that off real quick. Alright, what's up? It's like 9:40. Just got back from my massage. Yeah, that's right. That's what you call a double up Chick-fil-A day. Good morning. It is Tuesday, 6 a.m. But we have 6 miles lined up again today, I believe. Nothing special. And that is 6 miles down. Feels amazing now, but dude, I'll tell you, it's freezing. First run, probably of the year, with a shirt on. It may be quarter zip season, as sad as it is to say. Hello there. Hello. Hello there. Hello there. It's Wednesday. No. Yeah. It's Wednesday at 7 a.m. And you know what that means. It is quality session day. And I feel like a sack of shit. Oh, dude, I don't know what to tell you. It's definitely one of those days. Did not get as much sleep as I would have liked. Ended up going to the Half Alive concert last night, which was a blast. But ended up getting home late and I ate like shit. 2 days ago I had Chick-fil-A for breakfast and for dinner. And yesterday I ate Chipotle for lunch. I slammed down a big protein shake, and I knew I needed to get calories in for this run, so I ended up door dashing Wendy's at like 11:30 last night. And that was not the move. Around to hit, nonetheless, we got an 8-mile quality session with some pretty aggressive, I will say, some pretty aggressive splits in there. So like, this is no like run to be messing around about. So I gotta hydrate up real quick. My calf, dude, oh my gosh. I'm not doing well. But what do you do, huh? What do you do when you feel like shit, when you're hurt, when you're tired, when you're not fueled properly? You know what you do? You quit making excuses, you get out there, and it's cold as well. But you get out there and you run. You get it done. Because that's the thing, guys. I sit here and I complain and I delay the inevitable of having to go out there and be cold and run on days that I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna go do it. It's Thursday, 8 a.m. and we're gonna go lift. No run today. Post quality session yesterday. Crushed it. Legs are pretty wrecked, so it's good to be off them today. And we're ready to go. Good morning. 7 a.m. Friday. It was hard to get out of bed this morning. But we're out here. 6 miles, so I just gotta get it done. Alright, bro. You ready for a birthday pump?
More like a birthday
dump?
I don't know. Birthday dump.
Dude, you're gonna end up in that ambulance after this workout. Dude, I need to buy one of those. Good morning. It's Saturday, 8:30. Ooh, I look like shit, bro. It's Saturday, you know what that means. It's long run day. We got a long run. Just taking down some G1M Sport and an Uncrustable. So today's run, 16 miles, 1 mile warm up, 14 miles at like a 7:35 pace, something like that, and then a 1 mile cool down. Oh, whoa. I just felt that crack all the way down into my arm. My shins hurt. Don't need to sit here and tell you guys about how much I hurt anymore. You already know. But this week might quite literally be the most straightforward, uneventful weeks of training that I've had since I started. So I got really behind on sleep this week. So I just said, screw it, I'm gonna sleep in today. I think it's the first time that I've slept in for a Saturday long run. You know, you guys know waking up 6 a.m. Saturday is a fun little tradition. But it's not that hot out. You know, it's cooling down now that we're at the tail end of September. So I don't necessarily have to beat the heat, you know, the same way as before. So I started thinking about the race quite a bit, you know. And we're like 3 weeks out. It's like, this is it. I wonder if I'm ready. I wonder if I could run the race today. I think I could run the race today. I've talked about this before, but like one of the cool things about marathons and races is that you're going out there and you're running either a distance or a duration, or a distance at a duration that you've never done before. And I actually kind of hate that. My first marathon, I ran a full 26.2 miles, like 3-4 weeks out in training at race pace to make sure I was gonna be able to hit my goal time before the race. Which, like, looking back is like dumb. It's like, if I can hit my goal time that far out, then my goal time's not not aggressive enough. But that's just like how I'm wired. Like, I wanna know, I wanna have certainty, right? I wanna have such a high level of confidence. And for something like running, I haven't yet been able to create that level of confidence and certainty until I actually do it, right? I could be plenty fit right now to be able to do it, but I haven't run a 26.2 mile distance. I haven't run more than 22 mile distance since September last year, right? So there is that part of my brain that's like, oh, dude, I don't know. That's also what's so cool about it, right? It's like, I get to go out there, I gotta prove it, I gotta do it, and it's game time, right? And that's where you replicate like what a sports game is like in a lot of ways, right? You gotta rise up on the day of the occasion and get it done. Oh yeah, dude. Coming up on 9 a.m. Sun is up, air is cool, and we got ourselves a day for a run, baby. Oh, maybe my ankles don't break, we do. All right, here we go. All right, the run is off to an interesting start today. Just over 2 miles in, and every step is painful, at least in my left leg. But you guys know how, like, when you walk, like, you don't have to think about it. You just walk, and you kind of walk for, like, you know, it feels like forever. There's no, like, effort behind it, you know, you're just taking steps, and your mind doesn't really work. All right, your mind can be elsewhere. You don't have to think about walking. And with running, it's actually very similar. Right, when you're running at a conversational pace, you know, and you're keeping your heart rate low, it's exactly the same. All right, so when I go out on an easy run, like I'm not thinking about the run. My mind's elsewhere and my body's just moving. And as you get more fit, that pace in which you can mindlessly run, we'll call it, goes up. You get faster. All right, so when I started this prep, it was like 10, 15, 10, 30 minute per mile pace, you know, and then became 10, 9:30. Now it's about like 8:15 to 8:30. But today we're running 14 miles at 7:40. All right, so it's just crossing into that threshold where like I can't automatically shut my mind off and run. I gotta make sure my legs are cycling quick enough to maintain that pace. All right, that's how you build fitness. That's how you build speed. So my whole point with this is that when you're running a little bit faster than you're comfortable with and you're hurting, it's hard to find your rhythm. It's hard to shut your mind off, and that's what you gotta get to. That's what I gotta get to here. Gotta shut up, lower my heart rate, get in a rhythm. Find the rhythm and the groove. You gotta find the groove too. All right, that's 7 miles in. I'm struggling. Oh God. Not even halfway there. And I'm struggling. When things don't go your way on long run day and you're not feeling it, you better strap in. You got a long ride ahead. This is where you just gotta fucking power through. And you gotta remind yourself, I'm gonna feel like this on race day. How am I gonna show up? It's 8 miles down. I'm a second half team. That's what I'm telling myself right now. Ah! Oh. Ah! Oh, God. Huh. 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 Ah. I fucking did it. That run was horrible. How bad do you ask? Do you hear that sound? That is the bathtub filling up. Oh. That's how bad it was. Oh. Oh. I got some blisters on my feet. I'm cramping just like sitting down. Oh. God damn. Anyway, 16 miles, 2 hours, 8 minutes, 49 seconds, and an 8:03 minute per mile pace. You know, it seems every few weeks, every month or so, I have a run that just humbles me. Humbles me. It's like when I have a run like this, I realize why people hate running. Just miserable. I don't know what it is, like I can't breathe, I can't catch my breath, and it's been, I don't know, how freaking long since I finished the run. I couldn't even do my cool down mile, I practically walked the whole thing. And then I played in the fountains out there to just cool down. It's literally 14 miles straight were just a battle. Watching my watch, watching my pace, right on the line of 7:40. You know, it was one of those runs where like I genuinely, like truly, like I say it a lot, oh, I'm always gonna hit my paces. Like I genuinely questioned whether or not I was gonna be able to finish the run. Oh. So the takeaway. So the takeaway in this, guys, is like bottom line. I just didn't respect this run. Right? Like I talk about long runs in my quality sessions. I'm like, oh, I feel kind of nervous about this one today. It's like, oh, this is gonna be aggressive. Like, But throughout prep, I just hit every single one. After hitting 22 miles, went out for 16 miles, just like whatever, it's 16 miles. So I didn't respect the run. I didn't even know for sure that I was hitting 740 paces until I actually started the run. I pulled up and checked on my warm-up mile. I slept in this morning, right, because I didn't get to bed on time, and I didn't monitor my sleep throughout the week. I was dehydrated, and I did in no way, shape, or form prep my nutrition and electrolyte intake yesterday to be prepared for the run today, and it should. Because 3 weeks ago, I had a very similar run, and I absolutely crushed it. Today sucked. But Alright, but we got it done. Time to go straight up drink out of my salt shaker. And hydrate up, order some food.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm tired. My first DoorDash order canceled, so want to smash a few little subs and drink this whole thing.
Things you learn.
What's up?
Because the tomatoes might have.
You want to swing a little harder?
155 carry.
What's the secret to the sauce?
Is the carrot and onion when they cook. Oh shit, I can't be saying it on video.
It is Sunday, almost 10 a.m. Just wrapped up a little morning workout. Feel terrible. Feel terrible. But hey, we got her in and had a good day yesterday. Went to a park, got some walking in on the legs. Jude made me some 5-star Italian cuisine last night, which was awesome. 3 weeks out, so 3 weeks. Anywho, that's gonna round out another week of training.